Hello good people, welcome once again to my sacks and containers garden. My name is Orina Dominic, and as you can see here, these are the tomato seedlings that I planted them in this container 2 weeks ago, and that is the topic of today. I'm going to take you through growing tomatoes in sacks and containers. So the first thing that you are supposed to do, my good people, is to prepare a nursery bed for the tomatoes. Then from there, you will transplant them into some sacks and containers. So for example here, these are the seedlings that I prepared. The first thing that you are supposed to do is to have the materials needed for preparation of a nursery bed. That is a wide container or a basin like the one I've used here, the plastic one. Also to have small stones, sand, soil, chicken manure, and the seeds. Also you must have some water. So the first step is to make some holes at the bottom of the container so that to allow some water out. Then add small stones at the bottom of the container, just a layer, followed by sand, a layer of sand. That is to encourage drainage in the soil and out of the container. After that, add your good soil that you have mixed with the chicken manure in the ratio of 1 to 2. That is 1 spade of chicken manure and 2 spades of loam soil. After adding the soil in the container, then you can take your seeds, your good seeds. Maybe you bought from the agrovet or elsewhere. Like for example, mine are here. These are the seeds that I planted, known as Tomato Rio Grande from Safari Seed. These are quality seed. So these are the one that I used to plant to give me such seedlings that are here. Then you're supposed to plant your seeds in the soil that you have put in the container. Cover the seeds with a light soil. Water your seeds. After watering, use dry grass or dry leaves to mulch. That is to conserve water in the soil, which is needed for the seeds to germinate. After you have done mulching, you can now put your container on a safe place whereby your seeds or your nursery bed will not be disturbed. So those are the steps that you are supposed to follow when you want to prepare a nursery bed in a container. This project I'm showing you here, it will be a continuous. I'm going to take you through the steps from preparation of the nursery bed, the one that I've shown you here, then up to harvesting time. So this is part 1 of growing tomatoes in sacks and containers. Part 2 will be transplanting of seedlings, of tomato seedlings into sacks and containers. So keep following me in my YouTube channel, and I'm going to upload videos related to this each and every time. So I know you are going to learn more, and also share my videos to your friends. Subscribe if you have not, so that you'll get the content every minute that I upload. So to the other side, as you can see here, these are the tomatoes also, tomato seedlings also, but these are the cherry tomatoes. As you can see, they are ready for transplanting, and I'm going to transplant them into sacks and some containers. I did the same process to prepare this nursery bed, just adding small stones at the bottom of the sack, followed by sand, then adding the soil, then you sow or you plant your seeds. So you can see they are very healthy. I'm going to just choose the best seedling like this, then I transplant it. So the same way I'm going to do to these young seedlings, and then I transplant them into some sacks and containers. So part 2 will be transplanting tomato seedlings into sacks and containers. So thank you very much. You can also join my group, Facebook group, known as Sacks and Containers Gardening Tips, and you're going to learn more.